If you're thinking about installing an LED wall at your church, there's one mistake that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars: buying the cheapest LED wall you can find online. Today, I'm going to walk you through why hiring a professional team to design and install your LED wall matters, why we at CCI Solutions use trusted LED wall partners, and the real reason cheap LED walls almost always end up costing more in the long run. LED walls are becoming more and more common in churches, and for good reason. They're brighter and have better contrast than projectors. They look incredible for worship backgrounds, sermon graphics, and special events. They work great in rooms with ambient light, and they give you a clean, modern look. But here's the problem. An LED wall isn't just a TV you hang on the wall. It's a full system: power, data, structure, processing, content workflow, and if any of that is done wrong, you'll have issues for years. This is where hiring a professional AVL integration company makes a massive difference. When we design an LED wall system, we don't just pick a screen size and mount it. We look at the space the LED wall will live, how the wall will be used, whether it's replacing a projector and screen, or maybe a video backdrop on stage. This leads us into what to specify for the use case, where we look at viewing distance, pixel pitch, room lighting, camera angles for live stream, structural support, electrical needs, and future expansion. We designed the LED wall to actually serve your church's vision, not just fit a budget number. And we make sure it integrates cleanly with your video system. This gives you high image quality, longer equipment and image lifespan, and easier operation for volunteers. One of the biggest questions we get is, why do you guys use high quality LED walls instead of cheaper options? Here are the big reasons. 1, proven reliability. Companies like Absen or Thor are known to be trusted LED wall manufacturers with a good solid track record. They're used in churches, broadcast studios, concerts, and major events. The panels are built to run for hours every single week without issues. 2, real warranty. This is huge. Absen offers a real 5-year manufacturer warranty. That means if something fails, you're covered. With cheap LED wall brands, you get less reliable warranty and it may not cover as much. 4, quality of the LEDs. Not all LED walls are built with the same quality of LEDs. Higher-end LED wall manufacturers use higher-grade LEDs, which results in better color consistency, brightness, and overall image quality. A good way to think about it is like a pizza. Top manufacturers use the best part of the pizza, the center. They're selecting A and B grade LEDs that are consistent and reliable. Cheap manufacturers often use the leftovers, the edges, and crust. They're using lower grade LEDs like D and F grades that don't match as well and don't last as long. And that's why you'll often see color shifts, uneven brightness, and dead pixels much sooner on cheap LED walls. Another big difference is batching. Higher-end companies track and keep LED batches for warranty and future repairs so that the colors stay consistent if a panel ever needs to be replaced. With cheaper walls, that consistency usually isn't there. Now let's talk about cheap LED walls you see online. They look like a great deal at first, but here's what we see all the time after churches buy them: poor image quality, lower brightness, bad color consistency, dead pixels start showing up quickly. When something breaks, you're often stuck emailing overseas vendors with slow responses. Sometimes replacement parts aren't even available anymore. We've seen churches replace cheap LED walls in just a few years, when they could have invested once in a quality system and been set for a decade or more. Another huge mistake is not designing the system properly. We've walked into churches where the wall is too low resolution for the viewing distance, it's too bright or not bright enough, it blocks sightlines, or the structure isn't properly supported. And all of that could have been avoided with proper design. When you hire a team like CCI Solutions, you're not just buying hardware, You're getting a system designed around your space, your vision, and your future. So, if you're considering an LED wall for your church, here's the big takeaway. Don't just shop for the cheapest screen, invest in quality hardware. Make sure it's professionally designed and installed, and choose products with real warranty and real support. That's why we trust brands like Absen or Thor, and that's why we take a full design build approach at CCI Solutions. If you're thinking about an LED wall project, we'd love to help you design something that fits your church's vision and budget and will last for years to come. Reach out to us, check the links below, or leave a comment with your questions. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.